Alrighty. Sorry about the noise, but this is the haul, and this is from scrapbook.com. So I have been in my little jewelry netting mode again, and I love playing paper dolls when I was a kid, I ain't gonna lie. So I like the collection, so I just wanted to round it off. So I went on to order some more. I got like 10% off. Anyway, this is from scrapbook.com when I got it, so I don't know if the seller's still running, but everything was 10% off. So these are some of the ones that I didn't have in my collection, and Lord knows I have a big collection, but I enjoy them, and I've made plenty of things with them, and I will be showing you some more of my stuff soon. Anyway, this is Daisy, and this one I think is my first one that actually has a face on it. I mean, I have my own personal stamps. I have some that came with this face separately that you can stamp with, but this actually has her face up there, so this will be my first one that I have. So that's Daisy, and it doesn't say her size on it, but she's smaller. She's about 5 inches probably. I went on and got the Snooty Cats, and this is got Catitude. So it's the Snooty Patootie got Catitude. So it's the cat and the fish. Because I've used mine as props. So I've even got like the skateboard set, the wings, the strollers. I got all the other stuff to use. Some dogs leave paw prints on our hearts. Attaboy. And that's this doggy. That's Barley. And this one is Cassie. So she has the cowboy hat. It's separate. And so she's taller. So she is about, I think, 7. Yeah, she's about 7.5. And with all this, virus is going around, they're trying to quarantine every single thing. I would be in the house scrapbooking if I can't go to work. And I purchased this one, and I'm almost sure that I didn't mean to purchase Stephanie, because I believe I have her. So if I do, I will hold on to this, and this would be a giveaway. And I'll probably do a giveaway on one of my videos when I show some of my other layouts and stuff with my jewelry naughty. So be on the lookout for that. I just gotta verify I have that, but I'm pretty sure I do. And if I do, it'll be my giveaway. This one is the frame set, 12 pieces. It's a little teeny one. I think it's like the little scarlet one. And then these little teeny frames, which are great for your planners and stuff like this and making borders. So I definitely can use that. And then I like the Clarissa, because you can layer her hair, and it says the Queen. Hello, that is me. The Queen. It's got a butterfly, so it's just a head. So I thought that would be cute to do a little project with. And this is Fiona, and this says, whatever it is that makes your heart happy, do it. I don't know, because sometimes a lot of times your heart will trick you. So I don't know if I said it's always a good thing, because your heart can get you in trouble. But anyway, I love this one too, because one, I love all the extra hair she has. It's nice and fluffy, and it's curly. You got a butterfly and the flowers, and the butterfly has got script on it. But I also like the fact that they gave her this tunic, so you can have her without it or with it. So you have, basically 2 different looks. So I like the dolls like that, and you get more than one look out of. So I think that's pretty cool. And then we got Becky. And again, I like, Becky is one of the curvier ones. She's a little bit more, she's not obese at all. God knows she's not. But she just has a more realistic shape to me, like a woman. But I like that too. And this says lovely. And again, she has a 2-piece set. So she actually has, sleeveless, and then she has it with a jacket. So it makes it, again, you can use her in more than one season. So that's why I like that. The same thing with this one. You can use it in more than one season, even though this will probably be spring and summer. This one could be, spring, summer, and maybe fall. It depends on how you make that jacket look. You might even make it winter. So I like that. You have options there. And again, you get multiple uses out of it. So just being seasonal would, like the ones in the bathing suit, it's obviously going to be seasonal. Then you have Kelly, and again, Kelly also has that realistic woman shape. She has a more full figure, which still to me, you know, it's thin, but I just like that she has some diversity in her stamps. I really like that, and I like her curly hair. And this is Hey Gorgeous, and I love this, of course. You know, you got to have your dress bodice. So this is Kelly, and that is how she looks. So she also comes with a jacket that can go onto this outfit to give you a totally different look. You also got a bow, which you can put the bow on her dress, on her jacket. You can put it in her hair. You can stick it over here on the dress form. I said dress bodice. I meant to say dress form. So that just gives you a couple different things that you can do with it. Of course, you can use the bow on anything separate as you want to. You can stick it in her hair or whatever. So they got it right here on her jacket. So that just gives you some ways to make it look more than one. She also has a face. So her and Clarissa too. So that's a couple of my faces. And then this is Joy. I got her, not so much, I didn't need the holiday stuff, but I got her just because her hand is up and she has a different pose. And I thought I could maybe come up with something under that would be a little bit different. So that's kind of what I got there. I don't know what I have her hanging from her hand, but I will figure something out. Then I got Miss Ivy. She's another one of my small ones. In fact, she's so small, you almost don't see her in there. Hold on. I see her, but I don't see her. Like whoever did that. Oh, there she go. She's in there. And it says Cutie Patootie. And that butterfly says Inspire. And she's got, you know, nice little thick little legs. And that's her. And then this one is Annie. So she comes with a hat, and you got the hat right there and put it on top of her head and do that, or just no hat at all. So again, you have options there as to how you want to do that. You could probably even cut this skirt off and make her legs longer. That could be something you can do as well. And then you have Phoebe. And so a lot of them have butterflies. And it says, Hey Girl. She's got some more florals over here as well. And she's got a lot of hair. So that's how she looks. So I'm excited. So, I will be playing with these and my other ones that I got recently. Finishing up my album that you guys saw that I was working on when I was doing the Julie Netting collab. And I will bring that back out. And when I finish the whole book, I think I have 12 more slots in there. 12 or 13. I'll do my reveal. But anyway, so, you know, if you love these stamps like I do, Scrapbook.com. They had them actually cheaper. I was going to get some off of Amazon, but they were actually cheaper at Scrapbook.com. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.